morning, everybody. Today is Vlogmas day number 16. Just got dressed. I'm wearing leggings today, you guys, because I feel like wearing leggings. No, I want to wash my pants because they're dirty. But Charlotte and I are just switching out my purse. I got this purse that I got from Balzano like a couple weeks ago, and this is my other Balzano purse, so I'm just switching everything from this purse to this purse because this is more of like, you know, a more Christmassy thing, and it's a little bit deeper, so liking it. But I'm gonna just start trying to switch my purses out at least once a month. But yeah, Miss Charlotte's just like, hey, how's it going? You being grumpy today? Yeah, she's being grumpy. Oh, and one thing I just want to let you guys know, if you guys are watching these videos and you notice that you cannot comment below, YouTube is changing things where if there's kids involved, that they can, you can't comment on the videos. It's something that's really starting in 2020. So if you guys are seeing that you can't comment, it's out of my control. So you guys can comment on another video or get a hold of me somewhere else if you need to say something to me. But just want to give you guys a heads up. I was going to mention that too before, but I think that I have like 3 videos that you can't comment because the kids are majority in it. So that means basically in my videos that I'm going to be putting in 2020, you will see less of my kids just for certain reasons. Yeah, so I'm just going to clean my purse. I ordered something on Walmart.com last night, so I'm waiting for them to pull the item so I can go pick it up. I have to make a meal that I'm going to be working on today for a different video, so I have to just go to Walmart and get a couple things. But yeah, so it's just going to be an easy day. I'm going to try to get some laundry done, but yeah, I never got to wrap presents, which is not a big deal. I still got plenty of time for that, but so we'll see you guys in a little bit. So I am trying to submit my receipts, you know, to all the apps. I just kind of gather all my receipts for the day and do it. But this thing right here decides to lay on my receipts while I'm submitting them. What do you think about that, Paris? I know you can kind of hear me, but she just doesn't. Little girl. Oh, Paris. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just submitting all my receipts for all my apps. I kind of do it one day of the week if I don't remember to do it right away. But, hey, you guys. So the time is now 1:04. I just put Charlotte to bed.
Guys, we got for the calendar.
Okay, we'll do that in just a second, honey. I just put Charlotte to bed, and my house is already a mess.
Guys,
like, in the last...
all the balloons.
Yeah, Ben's making balloons right now.
In the collection.
Okay, so what happens is I had this place like really clean to my liking last night, and within 14 hours it's already a mess again. Like I haven't finished my receipts because I got in the middle of eating and then I just forgot. But I just made something for my mom and I for Christmas, and I can't show you guys it because she might watch this video and I don't want to surprise her. So you'll have to wait and see what I make her. Or I'll show you guys like on an Instagram post because it's super good.
Which one today and this one?
It's 16.
6?
1 6.
1 and 6. See, what should I get?
Anytime now, kid.
Your favorite movie?
Ooh, Beauty and the Beast.
That's my stupid voice.
I love that movie, so that is my favorite movie. Graham and I had a wedding based off of Beauty and the Beast. And so now we're going to see what today's train is going to be. So I'll help you because these are hard to open, honey. Ooh, that one looks different. What is that one? This one, oh, we've never had a train like this before. It's a girl, I don't know her name.
Let's do another one.
But that's kind of cool. So we'll have to see what tomorrow is. But yeah, so I'm still waiting for my Walmart pickup, you guys. I ordered it at like 9:30 last night. My phone, my app says it'll be ready by noon.
6?
But when I go on my computer, it says it'll be ready by 8 p.m. and it's just like, oh my god, like, should I just go there and just grab it off the shelf? Because I have to get a couple other things, but it's just like, come on, Walmart. Like, when I worked at Menards, I worked in the online order. I picked up people's online orders, and I picked them up within like 10 minutes. Like, I just went and grabbed them. Sometimes they could take up to an hour, but, you know, we got them pretty fast. But it's like, seriously, you guys, it's been forever, and Paris is getting my receipts. Paris. So, I have a load of laundry on right now. I'm going to fill the dishwasher, run that, and then just start picking up. Ben's going to help me pick up. But, yeah, it's just kind of a crazy day, you guys. But you have no idea how excited I am for the gift I made my mom.
I'm doing the number 12.
So, you guys will have to see what happens.
I did to number 12.
Okay, you guys, it is now 3:10, and we are finally going to Walmart. I never even got an email that my order is ready. I just went on the website, and it said it's ready to be picked up. So I'm like, okay, so we're going to go. I have to get some stuff to do some stuff for the cleaning for the house, and then I have to get something for Ben, and I might grab some Ibotta items because I just need 19 more things to hit the $20 bonus, so then I don't have to go probably Ibotta shopping next week because it will be super busy, you guys. Like, next week it's going to be swamped. So, especially at Walmart with everybody getting their last minute Christmas shopping. It is cold. It's only 35 degrees in the van, but if I go outside it's like 20. So Ben's waiting outside to say goodbye or say hi to his friend that just got off the bus stop. So I'm just sitting in the van letting it warm up. So Miss Charlotte's chilling with me. She's just all bundled up in her little car seat. But yeah, we're having a nice exciting day. I finally get out of the house, which is something I needed to do. And yeah. Hey you guys, so I just made a new meal. Let me know if you guys want to start seeing weekly cooking videos. I actually have tons of cooking videos that I've never posted that I made last year and earlier this year. And I really want to start bringing more food videos to my channel. Just because, you know, I don't have couponing in my channel name, and I want to do a variety of stuff because I'm like a designer. I went to interior design, but it's like I like to design things, including crafts and all that stuff. So if you guys want to see cooking videos, let me know. And if it doesn't let you comment below, just comment in another video that you guys want to see more cooking videos, because I really enjoy it. But you guys, I'm going to be posting this video on how to make this. Now, this doesn't look very appetizing, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this on Wednesday. So you guys will definitely want to check out Wednesday and how I made this. But this smells so delicious, and I'm so excited to try it. So yeah, so I'm just making Charlotte. I'm going to feed her in a couple minutes. Ben, I'm starting to make his food. None of the kids will eat that. But yeah, I'm just ready to have some dinner. It is 6:23, so we're going to eat something, and then I'm going to slowly get the kids wound down to sleep. Maybe wrap presents. Actually, I should. I got to stop saying this. Jennifer, let's wrap some presents. So you guys will see me in a little bit. So the time is now 9:05. I started grabbing everything to start wrapping stuff, but I can't find any tape in this house. Like, I've searched all the drawers and cannot find any tape. So it's like, I'm kind of pissed off because I dug all this stuff out and I cannot find the tape. So Graham will be home in about 10 minutes. So I'm going to have him help me wrap some stuff. But I got a lot of stuff to do. I did not realize how much I got. Otherwise, if I get bored, everything's going in gift bags. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, we'll just, you know, have a good, fun day. And I probably won't go to Walgreens tomorrow because it's just kind of a slow week for me. So that's okay. If I just do decide, I might go later on in the week. But I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.